Welcome back to Echo English Moments. I'm Lily.
And I'm Tom. Hi, everyone.
In our A Day with Lily series, we always talk about daily life situations. Today's topic is very practical.
Yes, my car needs an oil change. That means I need to go to the repair shop.
Exactly. This is a very common situation, and we will show you step by step how to handle it in simple English.
We'll cover how to call the shop, how to make an appointment, what to say when you drop off the car, and even how to pay.
And don't worry, everything will be easy to understand. Perfect for learners at the A1 to A2 level.
Let's start with the first step. I need to call the repair shop. What can I say?
You can say something short and clear. For example, "Hello, I need an oil change." Or, "Hi, I'd like to make an appointment for car service."
That's simple. And the shop will probably ask for details. They might say, "What's the make and model of your car? When would you like to come in?"
Right. Make means the brand, like Toyota, Honda, or Ford. Model means the specific type, like Corolla, Civic, or Focus.
So, I could answer, "It's a Toyota Corolla 2016. Tomorrow morning works for me."
Perfect! Short, clear, and polite. After the first call, you need to set a time. You can ask, "Can I come at 10?" Or, "Do you have time on Saturday?"
The repair shop might reply, "Yes, we're available." Or, "Sorry, we're full. How about 2 p.m.?"
And you just confirm, "Okay, 2 p.m. works."
That's it. The appointment is made.
Yes, and remember to write it down so you don't forget.
Now it's the day of the appointment. I arrive at the repair shop. What should I say?
You can say, "Hello, I have an appointment for an oil change." Or, "I'm here for my 2 p.m. appointment."
Then the staff might ask, "Can I have your name? Can I have your phone number? Can I have your car keys?"
And you can answer politely, "My name is Tom. My phone number is 123-456-7890. Here are my keys."
Easy and clear.
Sometimes the shop will ask if you want to wait or come back later. They may say, "Do you want to wait here or pick up the car later?"
I can answer, "I'll wait here," or "I'll come back at 4 p.m.
Both are correct. Just choose what works for you.
If I wait, maybe I can read a book or check my phone.
Yes, repair shops often have a small waiting area.
Sometimes the shop asks more questions, right?
Yes, they may ask, "Do you want synthetic oil or regular oil?" Do you want us to check the brakes?
That can sound difficult. What should I say?
Don't worry. If you don't understand, you can say, "Can you explain, please?" Or, "What do you recommend?"
That's helpful. And if I just want the basic service, I can say, just the oil change, please.
Exactly. Simple English is always fine.
After the oil change is finished, I need to pay.
The worker may say, "That will be $60. Do you want to pay by cash or card?"
And I can answer, card, please, or I'll pay in cash.
Then you give your card or money, and don't forget to say, "Thank you."
And the worker will probably reply, have a nice day.
Let's talk about things you should always remember. Always confirm the time of your appointment. Ask about the price before the service. Keep your receipt. If your car has another problem, tell the mechanic clearly.
What if my car makes a strange noise?
You can say, "The brakes make noise. The engine light is on. The car shakes when I drive."
Simple sentences, very clear.
Exactly. You don't need difficult words.
Are repair shops the same in every country?
Not always. In English-speaking countries, people usually make an appointment. In some places, you can just walk in.
So it's better to call first.
Yes. Also, always ask, "How long will it take?"
Right, because sometimes it takes 1 hour, sometimes 3 hours.
Exactly. That way, you can plan your day. Let's do a short practice. I'll be the repair shop. You be the customer.
Okay.
Hello, this is Green Auto Shop. How can I help you?
Hello, I need an oil change.
Sure. What's the make and model of your car?
It's a Toyota Corolla 2016.
When would you like to come in?
Tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Okay, 10 a.m. works. See you then.
Thank you.
Perfect. That's how it sounds in real life. Let's repeat some useful key sentences together from the dialogue to explain problems. Do you have time today?
Do you have time today?
How long will it take?
How long will it take?
Can you check the tires too?
Can you check the tires too?
Is the car ready now?
Is the car ready now?
Can I pay by credit card?
Can I pay by credit card?
Hello, I need an oil change.
Hello, I need an oil change.
I'd like to make an appointment.
I'd like to make an appointment.
Can I come at 10 a.m.?
Can I come at 10 a.m.?
I'm here for my appointment.
I'm here for my appointment.
Here are my keys.
Here are my keys.
I'll wait here.
I'll wait here.
That will be $60.
That will be $60.
Card, please.
Card, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The engine light is on.
The engine light is on. These are so useful.
Yes, and you can practice them many times. Today, we learned how to use English for a real situation, an oil change.
From calling the shop to paying, now you know every step.
Remember, simple and clear English is the best.
And practice makes you more confident.
Thank you for joining us today.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
This was A Day with Lily.
See you next time.